Hello everyone, how are you today? You have learned how to add and subtract a decimal number. In this lesson you will learn how to multiply two decimal numbers. It is an easy idea, but you must know how to multiply two integers, because what differs in the decimal number is the way to place the dot. Let's explain this well and take example, so let's get started. How to multiply two decimal numbers. To multiply two decimal numbers we have 4 steps. We write the multiplication in vertical form. We multiply without taking the point into consideration. We count the number of decimal places in the factors. Finally, we place the point knowing that the product has the number of decimal places as the to factor together. Example, 4.71 times 3.5. 4.71 have 2 digits after dot, and 3.5 have 1 digit after dot. 2 plus 1 is 3. Keep this number in your mind. Now multiply them without take the point into consideration. As you see, it becomes natural numbers. Start multiply by 5 from right to left. 1 times 5. It is 5, so put 5. 7 times 5. It is 35, so put 3 on top and 5 on bottom. 4 times 5. It is 20, add to the 3. Become 23. Since no more digit before 4, so put 23 in bottom. Now you must multiply by 3. Before doing anything put 1 0 under 5, because have only 1 digit after 3. 1 times 3, it is 3, so put 3. 7 times 3, it is 21, so put 2 in top and 1 in bottom. 4 times 3, it is 12, add to the 2, become 14. Since no more digit before 4, so put 14 in bottom. No more digit before 3, so add this to answer together. Put 0 in empty places. Start from right to left. 5 plus 0. It is 5, so put 5. 5 plus 3. It is 8, so put 8. 3 plus 1. It is 4, so put 4. 2 plus 4. It is 6, so put 6. 0 plus 1. It is 1, so put 1. So the answer is 1 6 4 8 5. Now we must put the dot. Remember the number that calculated by add the decimal part in both. It is 3. Count 3 digit from right to left. 1, 2, 3. Put dot. So the final answer of multiplication is 16.485. Note, if the total number of decimal places is greater than the number of digits of product, then we complete the product by adding 0 to the left. Example, 1.8 times 0.2. 1.8 have 1 digit after dot. 0.2 have 1 digit after dot. 1 plus 1 is 2. Keep this number in your mind. Now multiply them without take the point into consideration. As you see, it becomes natural numbers. Multiply by 2 from right to left. 8 times 2. It is 16, so put 1 in top and 6 in bottom. 1 times 2. It is to add to 1, become 3. No more digit before 2, so the answer is 36. Remember the number that calculated by add the decimal part in both. It is 2. Count 2 digit from right to left. 1, 2. Put dot. In empty place put 0. So the final answer of multiplication is 0.36. If you are still having difficulty after this detailed explanation of multiplication of two decimal numbers, follow with us to solve some questions. But before we begin to solve the questions, these are the most important words that were mentioned in the explanation along with their translation into Arabic, because our goal is to convey knowledge to the entire world. In this lesson, I will solve only one question that includes several parts, each part having an idea. Exercise. Calculate. A. 1.3 to times 40 to 0.1. 1.3 to have 2 digits after dot. And 40 to 0.1 have 1 digit after dot. 2 plus 1 is 3. Keep this number in your mind. Now multiply them without take the point into consideration. As you see, it becomes natural numbers. Start multiply by 1 from right to left. 2 times 1. It is 2, so put 2. 3 times 1. It is 3, so put 3. 1 times 1. It is 1, so put 1. Now you must multiply by 2. Before doing anything put 1 0 under 2, because have only 1 digit after 2. 2 times 2. It is 4, so put 4. 3 times 2. It is 6, so put 6. 1 times 2. It is 2, so put 2. Now you must multiply by 4. Before doing anything put 2 0 under 4, because have 2 digit after 4. 2 times 4. It is 8, so put 8. 3 times 4. It is 12, so put 1 in top and 2 in bottom. 1 times 4. It is for and have 1 in top, so for plus 1 is 5, so put 5. No more digit before for, so add this 3 answer together. Put 0 in empty places. Start from right to left. 2 plus 0 plus 0. It is to, so put 2. 3 plus 4 plus 0. It is 7, so put 7. 1 plus 6 plus 8. It is 15, so put 1 in top and 5 in bottom. 1 plus 0 plus 2 plus 2. It is 5, so put 5. 0 plus 0 plus 5. It is 5, so put 5. So the answer is 55572. Now we must put the dot. Remember the number that calculated. By add the decimal part in both. It is 3. Count 3 digit from right to left. 1, 2, 3. Put dot. So the final answer of multiplication is 55.572. B. 0 point to times 0.01. 0 point to have 1 digits after dot. And 0.01 half to digit after dot. 2 plus 1 is 3. Keep this number in your mind. Now multiply them without take the point into consideration. 0 and left like nothing, so we did not write it. As you see, it becomes natural numbers. Start by multiplying to times 1 equals 2. So put 2. Now we must put the dot. Remember the number that calculated. By add the decimal part in both. It is 3. Count 3 digit from right to left. 1, 2, 3. Put 0 in empty places. Put dot. So the final answer of multiplication is 0.002. Keep in your mind that you can reverse the multiplication. Example, see 0.3 times 1.2. 0.3 have 1 digits after dot, and 1.2 half to digit after dot. 2 plus 1 is 3. Keep this number in your mind. Now multiply them without take the point into consideration. As you see, it becomes natural numbers. Easier for you to put 122 times 3. Start multiply by 3 from right to left. 2 times 3. It is 6, so put 6. 2 times 3. It is 6, so put 6. 1 times 3. It is 3, so put 3. No more digit before 3, so the answer is 366. Now we must put the dot. Remember the number that calculated. By add the decimal part in both. It is 3. Count 3 digit from right to left. 1, 2, 3. Put 0 in empty place. Put dot. So the final answer of multiplication is 0.366. I am very happy that you have reached the end of solving the questions. This is summary of this lesson. You should know that reviewing the video is very useful, and practicing solving the questions is very important to memorize the form and logic of the information. Good luck, friends. In the next lesson we will explain division of a decimal by a natural number.